You can print on envelopes of various sizes through the bypass tray or via the optional envelope drawer. Load the envelope face down in the bypass tray. On the Basic tab from the original paper size drop-down menu, select the correct envelope size for your job. From the Paper Source drop-down menu, select Bypass Tray. When the Confirm pop-up appears, select OK. From the Destination drop-down menu, select Tray 1 and then press OK. To print, press Print. To print the job from the MFP, press the Job Status button displayed as an exclamation point icon on the top right. On the Change the Paper Type screen, press Envelope. To print, press the Start button.